that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind.
Welcome to Skydive Neverhaven. And what is your name?
Nicola. Nick.
And what are you here to do?
I'm here to skydive for the first time in my life, and maybe it's going to be the first of a long series, who knows. Let's wait and see.
And why are you doing it
I
today?
am supporting Meningitis now. That is a charity, and I'm here because I'm collecting funds for them to help people rebuilding their life because of meningitis.
Fantastic. A great charity. How much have you raised so far?
So far 1,700 and going till the end of the year, so let's see if we can hit the 2,000.
Fantastic.
That would be great.
Fantastic. Great amount of money, and
Yeah.
obviously a great cause. Well, you've got a lovely, fantastic instructor looking after you.
Yeah.
We're going to go skydiving. How's that sound?
It sounds great, and thank you to everybody that has donated for meningitis, and please keep pouring in, and that would be great. And I will share the video as soon as it is released.
Fantastic. Enjoy yourself, and I'll see you in the sky.
All I want is satisfaction. Make a move, baby, you got nothing to lose. Give me that, give me that, give me that good reaction. Gonna make it right, little like an offer I can't refuse. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights, I've got to run this show. You always take me so high, you always make the highlights. I love the way we vibe, you're like a centerfold. Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion.
Nick, how was that?
Magic. Absolutely spot on. I loved it every single second. I stopped breathing for a sec when it would jump down, but it was marvelous. Definitely worth the experience, 100%.
Fantastic.
Thank you, everybody. Thank
No.
you and
Well,
all
you did
supporters.
absolutely fantastic. Frenchy, absolutely fantastic job. He did absolutely brilliantly.
This man has got 6,000 jumps under his belt and counting.
Well, remind me, why were you doing this awesome
I'm
thing?
doing for Meningitis now. That is a charity supporting people affected by meningitis directly and indirectly, and that's a little help that I'm giving them, collecting money for them, and so far 1,700, not 17,000 have been collected and counting. So the page is open until the end of the year, so whoever sees this, please keep pouring in. That is for a very good cause. Thank you so much.
Nick,
Thanks a lot.
absolutely fantastic job. Welcome to World Skydiving, and thank you for coming to Neverhaven.
And I might see you soon.
See you, see you again.
Thanks a lot.
La da 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 da. La da da da.